I'm sure you guys know this by now because I have seen more than 10 videos here on YouTube, so I won't be left behind. Guys, Mzansi Magic's Instagram page just did the unthinkable and posted a family picture of Mseleku, and guess who's in the picture? Yep, you guessed right, it's Mseleku's 5th wife. So to find out more on this, then stay tuned to this video. Hi guys, a lot is not right here. You know, I've just done some research on Thokozo. I don't really think that she's Mseleku's number 5, to be honest. There are a few things that I've discovered which makes it difficult for me to believe that Musa will take her as a 5th wife, but I'll create a separate video telling you what I've found. But then should it happen that she's really Mseleku's number 5, please guys, do not bash me. These are just my thoughts. You know, this whole thing is so fun and confusing at the same time because I was expecting everyone to be angry after this whole announcement, but everyone is just congratulating Musa, and I thought that Thokozo's Instagram page was going to be flooded with Mangabe's fans going after her, but nothing is happening. Instead, they are both getting congratulations messages, and guys, I've never seen anything like this. Themselves polygamy is something else. You know, looking at the way people are so interested in it is shocking. Uthando Nesthembu is that one show that trends for a whole week. Even with this news, 1 hour after Mzansi Magic posted this picture, Twitter was flooding with posts. The funny part is that Uthobile was trending number 1 on Twitter, catching bullets left, right and center, and I don't really get why, but people believe that she is the one who recruited Thokozo, which is confusing because of the way that she's looking at her on the picture. I mean, look guys, no one can convince me that Uthobile is happy with all of this. Or could she be pretending? Pela, we will never know. Another concern that I have is, how did Mayeni and Mangabe agree to be part of this whole picture thing? Honestly, I was so sure that when wife number 5 entered the Mseleku gates, Mangabe will be taking her bags, exiting those gates together with Mayeni. You remember on the previous episode that Mangabe and Mayeni always stating that they will never settle for Mseleku's trash treatment. So I'm wondering how is all of this going to work now? But then, let me leave all of this to you ladies and gentlemen. Please do comment on the comment section and share your thoughts and opinions regarding this video. And if you enjoyed this content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.